Deactivated or deleted your Facebook account, but now want to undo it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Facebook account on the mobile app. Now let's get started. To reactivate your deactivated or deleted Facebook account, open the Facebook app and log in using your email or phone number and your password. If you had requested to permanently delete your account, you will only be able to reactivate it within 30 days after submitting your deletion request. Once you're logged in, tap Yes, Continue to Facebook to get back on Facebook and reactivate your account with all of your posts, friends, and other data intact. That's all it takes to reactivate your Facebook account. For more helpful Facebook tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Facebook tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.